Sorry, we're still deciding. Where are you going? Oh. My arms are so bad right now.
Yeah, I have deodorant. You didn't deny me. It's gonna be so pretty though.
It is, right? And then we can sit out in my balcony as opposed to...
Yeah, girl, I ain't seen all that cats no more. I'm gonna turn around and knock out that window like, hey girl.
One of those like 6x8s right there. I don't know what they're talking about. We should have some.
We didn't know what he was talking about either.
Oh yeah?
Bye, sir. You have a good day.
I got family life.
Bye. We found a bowl, we found a bowl. Good morning. Good morning. We are protein pancaking it this morning. I really don't feel like eating breakfast, but I'm about to piece together this 3-piece furniture set for my balcony. Exciting. I was like, you know, I definitely have to eat something because if not, I'm just gonna end up being tired later on from not eating. So I'm just gonna make some protein pancakes really quick. I have a hash brown in the oven, and then I'm gonna make me some matcha. I think that should be good. I'm not like a pancake person all the time, but when I was like working out consistently, which gone are the days, but when I was working out consistently, protein pancakes were like a really good way for me to get some of my protein in. So I just continued to buy them because they taste really good. And yes, we use oat milk from Trader Joe's specifically because this oat milk tastes really good. Not all oat milk tastes good, but this oat milk, it's good. And it takes forever to expire, so I like that. I got back from New York the day before yesterday, and I was just so happy to be in my bed, even though I do miss home. But I was, you know, it's just nothing like being in your own space. I don't care where your space is. It can be in the middle of nowhere, but what's yours is yours, and just like having that time to yourself in your bed, nothing like it. Dang, I put too much milk. Ugh.
Oh yeah, that's the way.
I finished the 2 chairs. Look how good they look. Well, I guess you can't see the whole situation because I still have bags on them, but they're gonna look so good in an hour when I put everything out. It's gonna look so pretty. Very proud of myself. The building process was easy. The material was a little cheap. It was a little cheaper than what I thought it was gonna be for Amazon, but you know, it's fine. It's an apartment building. It's not like it's my home, so I'm fine with that. Yeah, now I just have to build the table. I have the glass right here so I don't break it, but I'm gonna build this table, which should be like 20 minutes, and then I'll be done, which is exciting. I'm like, yeah, let me get some matcha so I can sustain this energy that I have right now. Hold on now, my baby, slow down now. All right, let's put some milk first. Okay. The milk I don't really even need like that because this matcha is pretty light. It comes light, but I don't know. It just gives it like a creamy touch that I like. I froze this by accident, so I'm just gonna use the frozen pieces instead of buying, oh my God. Instead of putting ice. Did you see that? Not gonna lie to you, I'm not going. Not in this weather. I was down to go like in normal weather. How long is this supposed to last? It should. It says it's gonna end at 12. 1. Still out of power. I mean, thank God there's like natural light coming in, but the gas isn't working, the oven isn't working, nothing is working. So I have a doctor's appointment today at 10:30. So I'm just gonna head over there and hope that they have power because I still gotta get this appointment that I need to be seen for. I should probably like take my laptop with me, but I don't know, I'll see. Last night was crazy. It was just insanity. I thought that it was gonna be something that came and went for a little bit. The fact that the whole city still doesn't have light, I'm like, this does not happen back home. I don't know what this is. It just made me think like I definitely need to get portable batteries. I mean, I always have one on me just so that like if my phone dies, I can charge it. But I definitely need to get like 1 or 2 or like a heavy duty one for emergencies like this because I'm currently charging my phone off of my iPad right now. I was charging it off of my laptop yesterday and then my laptop died because it wasn't charged. But between that and just being mindful of just like having all my devices charged, yeah, I definitely need to be more prepared. But it's also like cozy. I just wish the TV was at least working, which I know doesn't make any sense, but it would have been cool. I mean, don't get me wrong, my internet was working, so I was able to like, you know, scroll and stuff like that, but it would have been cool to just like watch some TV or something like that. But I was reading. I woke up at like 3 a.m. I couldn't sleep. So I was reading my Bible, which was cool. And then I ended up falling back asleep at like 4. So yeah, I'm hungry though. So hopefully I can go to Snooze and get some breakfast. Let's see. Day 2 of no power in my neighborhood, which is why I am here at my friend's house because I had to sleep over last night. I went out to eat, and then after I went out to eat, I need coffee. I drove by my apartment and I was like, let me see if the light is back on, and it wasn't. So I came to my friend's house because she lives in an area that is more like, that basically has the power back on due to the type of people that live here. There's a lot of people like in the medical field. It's the medical center, so basically they have to have this like powered and running. So I came here, I packed a bag. I felt like a little kid packing a sleepover bag, my little skincare stuff. And yeah, today hopefully the power comes back on because I just miss being home. Even though I had fun yesterday with my friend. We watched the new season of Bridgerton. We watched we tried to watch 2 episodes, but I was falling asleep. So we watched 1.5. And we're going to cook tonight too. So I'm about to run to meet my friend, one of my other friends. And then hopefully go to get some coffee, get some breakfast. And then I want to run a couple of errands at TJ Maxx and at Trader Joe's. Hi, how are you?
Good, and you?
I'm good, thank you. Can I please have a number 2 with pepper jack cheese?
Okay, do you want the spicy regular or spicy deluxe?
The regular deluxe.
Regular.
Can I have the multi-grain bread instead of the bread that it comes with?
Okay.
May I please have fries and then a diet lemonade?
Diet lemonade? Okay.
Can I also have 1 ranch and 1 Polynesian sauce?
Just to make sure we were on the same page, you wanted the regular spicy chicken sandwich, not the deluxe, or you wanted the deluxe?
The deluxe, but not spicy.
Okay.
Awesome, thank you. And a diet lemonade, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay.
Have a good day. Thank you. Yummy, 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 yummy. Chick-fil-A, Chick-fil-A. Alright, let's see. Let us move, let us move. Why was everybody on the 2nd line when the 3rd line was empty? There's something I don't know. I don't know if Paris is out of work yet, so I'm just gonna eat in the parking lot because I don't know if you're like this, but as soon as I get food, it's very difficult for me to just like wait to get home to eat. Like I have to eat while I have the food. It's a very impatient habit that I noticed that I have, and I need to work on that because that's not a good thing. It's just very impatient, but it is my truth. And being that I'm not in a rush to go anywhere, I shall pull over. I shall enjoy some fries. Yeah, fresh too.